In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Slack. This is a handy feature that allows you to plan your communication effectively, ensuring your messages are sent at a time that's perfect for your audience. Whether you're preparing a reminder for your team meeting or ensuring an important update is sent out first thing in the morning, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is compose your message. Navigate to the channel or direct message where you want to send your message. Here, you can enter the complete text of your message as you normally would. Think about the content and make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear when it reaches your audience. Once your message is composed, it's time to access the scheduling options. If you look closely next to the Send button, recognizable as the paper plane icon, you'll notice a small downward-pointing arrow or a drop-down icon. This is what you'll click to start scheduling. It's a simple addition that opens up a whole array of scheduling possibilities. After clicking the arrow, a menu will pop up, showcasing some preset scheduling options. These options might include tomorrow at 9 o'clock a.m. or Monday at 9 o'clock a.m., making it incredibly convenient for quick scheduling. If one of these options fits what you're looking for, you can simply click on it, and you'll be almost done. However, if none of the preset options suit your needs, there's a custom time feature for more control. To access this, click on the Custom Time option. Here, you can specify an exact date and time for your message to be sent, with the flexibility to schedule up to 120 days into the future. This is particularly useful if you're planning around specific time zones or coordinating messages for future events. Now that you've either selected a preset time or set a custom one, the last step is to schedule your message. This is where you'll click the Final Schedule Message button. By doing so, your message is now queued up to be sent exactly when you've planned it. You can now relax knowing that your message will reach its intended recipients at just the right moment. There you have it. A straightforward way to schedule messages in Slack. This feature not only helps streamline your communication, but also ensures that you're making the most effective use of your messaging capabilities. Whether you're an individual user or part of a larger team, mastering this tool can be a game changer. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel more confident in your Slack skills. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling!